Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. It can be in messages, notes, in your browser, wherever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then let's enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, 3 dots icon and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them and drag them to this first position. So after entering the settings, we have to actually enter the languages and tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. Just do it, just find it and tap on it. So let me pick Urdu, for example. I saw it here. Alright, so just tap on it. And of course, depending on the language, you will be able sometimes to pick the region. So let me pick this one, just tap on it. And here we've got keyboard types. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick from 1 up to 5 different keyboard types. If you want to pick particular one, just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and it will be applied. So you can pick all of them, for example, the handwriting and the Urdu one, or just one of it. I will pick only the one in the middle. So let's tap on done, and as you can see, it has been applied to the list of languages which we've got currently set. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we will have 2 differences, but right now the only one is visible. So we've got this kind of globe icon, the language key, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. And here we can see the second difference, so the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after changing into the English, you can see that we've got the English right here. So you can freely change the keyboard. And this is how to add the language to keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it and don't have any other added. So let's enter the settings. Let's go to the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we'd like to remove, and in my case it will be Urdu, and tap on the trash bin icon. Again, we've got English, so after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, and secondly we do not have the globe icon, so we cannot change the language. It means that we've got only one applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.